This 2022 Prime Time Sanibel 3902WB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Prime Time is 43 feet 6 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a DUSK interior, sleeps 9, leveling jacks, smoke detector, stove-top burner, TV, slideout, microwave, external shower, water heater, oven, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Prime Time Sanibel 3902WB is 12,964 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.